This video explains how to differentiate the data coming from Rook, what you can extract, and what to do with the received data. Rook organizes health data into a consistent structure based on three core health pillars: physical health, body health, and sleep health. To identify the different JSON types Rook sends to your services, check the data structure key, which can have the following values for summaries and events. Regarding storage, it can be fully customized. You can choose different approaches depending on your needs and your business model. You can use a separate collection or table for each document type, or you can store all the data by pillar, differentiating the documents within the same structure. Or you can also store each summary individually while keeping all events in a single collection or table. The final decision depends on how you plan to query, manage, and scale your data. Additionally, you have full control over what data is stored. You may choose to store the entire document sent by Rook as a collection or map each key to a column in your table. Alternatively, you can select only the data points you are truly interested in, such as heart rate, activity, and similar metrics, and store only the most relevant information. Regardless of how you choose to store the data, let's take a look at how to obtain the main keys. To extract the health data contained in the JSON, follow the steps. 1. Identify which pillar the data structure belongs to. The first key to look at will be data pillar name, for example, JSON.getPhysicalHealth. 2. The next key is the data structure. It is important to first identify the pillar, whether is physical or body, because for the case of heart rate event, an oxygenation event could be for both. So checking if the data contains the key physical health or body health will determine the pillar. 3. Identify whether it's an event or a summary by checking if data structure ends in event or summary. 4. Get the data from the JSON. If it's a summary, the next key is summary. For example, JSON, health pillar, summary, data structure. If it's an event, the next key is events. For example, JSON, health pillar, events, data structure. Events are sent as arrays. API requests may include multiple events. Webhooks only send one event per request, so access the first array item. For example, JSON, health pillar, events, data structure, index 0. All JSON documents, whether events or summaries, include a metadata datetime string field that allows each document to be uniquely identified. Additionally, each document includes a document version field, which defaults to 1. Whenever the data source provides an update to an existing event or summary, Rook propagates that change through the webhook with an incremented document version, allowing consumers to clearly identify and track updated versions of the document. In the code, we extract the user ID, data structure, and datetime to uniquely identify the document. By reading the document version, we can determine whether the incoming payload represents a new record or an update to an existing one, allowing us to either insert or update the document accordingly in our database. See you in the next video. Thank you.